If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Hey guys, welcome to another video of my channel, and today I will talk about Palmbuy and Cash, which are some new features that Palmpay has added into their application. So I'll go through it. So what do they mean by Palmbuy? Palmbuy is a shopping store inside Palmpay that is focalized basically on beauty products for ladies. So yeah, I have Palmbuy here. Alright, before we get into the video, please, if you're a new viewer to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I really appreciate it. So as that is done, let's continue into the video. So this is Palmbuy. It has all beauty products that are cut off in percentages that you can get, and there's a fee delivery attached to it. Like here they say, plus you get a gift free when you check out your first checkout, up to 70% off free delivery. And also you can see under here we have 10 color eyeshadow palette, which is normally is 5,000 naira, and now they cancel it to the price of 1,500. We also have a lipstick pen, which is originally 4,000 naira. It was cancelled to 1,200. Same to as concealer matte liquid foundation, which was 6,000 naira and was cut off to 3,000 naira at lowest price. And we have makeup sponge. It was 1,800. It was cut off a minus 50% to 990. So inside this palm buy, you have all the cosmetics that you can buy at lowest price. You can get it at lowest price as you want, from eyeliners, powders, we have lipsticks, complexions, eyes, eyes. There's also eyeliner is among it. Makeup tool, which is like for example, Focolor white double edge brush is 900. Focolor match mask sponge, which is 900 also. You can see it is all of it is at its lowest price, which you can get in here. All you have to do is get Palmpay and go to Palmbuy and get it, and it will be delivered to you freely. Yeah, we can go through others. We have a dozen of things that you can order from it. So let's say for example I want to order for, let me see, I want to order for maybe 10 eyeshadow palette, which is 1.5. Free delivery on all products, free returns within 15 days if you don't want it. So its shelf life is 3 years, sustainable. All you have to do is add to cart, then you check the quality, go okay, select the color you want first. Let's just select this color, then go check my store cart. So once your money in your palm pay or your linked bank card, once there's enough money for you to shop it, then you can press buy item for this and that amount of money that you order it, that you want to order. That's how it works. So I guess you guys should check it out. Check it out in Palmpay. So another one, we also have cash spray. Cash spray. Cash spray is a Palmpay online ATM which gives out 1,000 naira to every of its users. It's just like an online ATM which you just press withdraw cash. It's bring out the naira note you want. You just select. Let me say I want select maybe 1,000 naira note, then it will give you the sum of 930 naira that you are about to complete. Then all you have to do is invite your friends through your link, and once your friend register to Palmpay, then that referral gain or reward will be added into your Palmpay cash pay wallet. Then to complete 1,000 naira, and you will be able to withdraw it. It will be sent directly to your Palmpay wallet. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please, thank you. It will support my channel a lot. Thank you.